If you have been injured in an Elkton car accident, there are several things that you should do. The first thing to do is to seek medical treatment if you are injured. If you haven't gone to the emergency room, you should go see your family doctor as soon as possible to get checked out. That's important. The reason that's important is because you can begin to document whatever injury to whatever body part you have injured. If you don't do that, there's going to be problems trying to prove that you were injured from this particular car accident. The sooner you document your injuries, the better. If you feel okay, to me that means you're probably having some type of pain. I think it's always a good idea to go to the hospital and get checked out. If you're fine after the next day, then there was no harm caused, but you were checked out medically and you did everything that you should be doing to make sure that you're fine. The second thing that you should do is contact a lawyer who handles Elkton, Maryland claims. The reason for that is there are very particular laws that you will need to follow and claims that need to be set up. You will need to set up a claim for any wages that you have lost and a claim for any medical bills that you're about to incur. The last thing that needs to be taken care of is a claim for your pain and suffering. You will most likely get a phone call or be contacted by someone from the insurance company from the party at fault. I would be very careful in talking to that person or those people because they are only going to try to get you to sign a release and provide you with a small amount of money to resolve your claim once and for all at that moment. It's very important that you're patient. It's very important that you then call an attorney who handles Elkton, Maryland cases. The benefits that you're entitled to are a lost wage claim, a medical bills claim, and ultimately a claim for pain and suffering. You may be entitled to current and future lost wages depending on the severity of your claim and depending on what happens in terms of your employment. If your injury is so bad that you need to stay out of work for a longer period of time than what is usual, then you are going to have an immediate lost wage claim. If your injuries are severe and you have to stay out of work for an extended period of time, then certainly you're going to have a future lost wage claim. Your Elkton car accident claim is going to resolve as follows. You're going to present a claim for your lost wages, you're going to present a claim for your medical bills, and then ultimately you're going to present a claim for your pain and suffering. You may also have medical bills that have been incurred that have not been paid by the insurance company. So you may have an outstanding medical bills claim. You also may have a wage claim where the wages have not been paid by the insurance company. So you will have three potential claims: an outstanding medical bills claim, an outstanding lost wage claim, and then a pain and suffering claim. In terms of who negotiates your settlement, if you have retained an attorney who handles Elkton, Maryland cases, then the attorney will absolutely be the person that negotiates with the insurance company and obtains a fair and just settlement. If a settlement can't be agreed upon, the next step is to file a lawsuit in the county where the accident happened. Contact the Freibot Law Firm today, as I offer free consultations to those injured in Delaware. I also charge no fee or cost unless I recover for you.